Okay, so we're going to work at deriving equations 1, 4, and 5 using our basic equations 2 and 3. So we're going to start with equation number 1. And what we're going to do here is, if you take a peek back at the derivation for equation 3, there was a line where we made a strange substitution. It looks something like this. And here we had VF minus VI. And what we did here is we made a substitution for VF minus VI, and we called that AT. What we're going to do to derive equation 1 is we're not going to make that substitution. We're actually just going to expand 1/2 t into the brackets and sort of collect like terms, and that's going to give us our first equation. So my VIT stays where it is. I'm going to distribute my 1/2 t into the brackets. So I end up with 1/2 t VF minus 1/2 TVI. And like I said, we never made that substitution this time, so we simply ignore that AT. Okay, now at this point, I've got like terms, whether you recognize them or not. These are like terms. I have a T here, I have a T here, I have a VI here, I have a VI here. So what I'm going to do is collect my like terms. So this term here is this one from above. I'm just going to collect this term and this term. So when I do that, I have one VIT, and I'm subtracting half of a VIT. So that should leave me with one positive half VIT, which I'm going to write as TVI. At this point, I want to clean this up a little bit, so I'm going to common factor. What I'm going to do is take a T out. I'm going to common factor a T out. Okay, so when I do that, I'm left with 1/2 VF plus 1/2 VI. Okay, and I've common factored a T out, so it's sitting outside the brackets like so. Now there's a property of fractions in math that says if I have two fractions with the same denominator, I can add the two together, keeping the denominators the same. So what I have here is I have VF over 2 plus VI over 2 times T. Okay, because I have the same denominator, I can add these two fractions. So I end up with VF plus VI over 2. And I still have my t that I've common factored. This is what they call equation number 1.